wide enough for a bus, it's wide enough for us. In the same winter, there was two different drivers. One hit that house one winter, and one hit that house. That's why they got the boulders in front of their houses there now.
Oh, to protect it?
Yeah.
Must be hard in the winter. It's slippery.
Yeah,
Down there.
going down that hill, yeah. Oh, construction. Look, we got a detour. That's okay, we'll keep going straight. We'll go and check it out. Might not be able to do this. We'll make a left. I might just be leading us right into a construction zone. Okay, then we'll make a right turn. The construction's over there.
Okay.
So, okay, we're going to park it on the downslope here. Squirrel. Digging for something. Nice. Okay, that's correct. So, and then when you have a curb, just if you remember for the road test, you can put it in neutral and let the car roll in. But it's you don't gain points if you do that. You don't lose points if you don't.
Oh, okay.
So it's just like a little extra thing just to impress them,
Do something,
basically. Yeah. So if you forget to roll it in, don't worry about it. So long as you turn the wheels the correct way, that's all they really care about.
Oh, okay. So extra.
Yeah. All right, we'll take off.